Everyone knows that Chow Chows have blue tongues. But have you ever wondered why? Hi, I'm here with my two canine companions. We love exploring the great outdoors and having fun together. Today we're going to learn all about why Chow Chows have blue tongues. So let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to do a little experiment for me. Look at this apple. Now take a bite out of it and don't swallow. Can you see the juice in your mouth? It's red, right? That's because apples contain a pigment called anthocyanin, which is what gives them their red color. Anthocyanin is also found in blueberries, blackberries, and even some petunias. And it just so happens that Chow Chows have a genetic mutation that causes them to have a lot of anthocyanin in their saliva. That's why when they pant, their tongues turn blue. It's the same reason why some dogs have pink tongues. The difference is that Chow Chows have more anthocyanin in their mouths than other dogs. You see, anthocyanin is a type of pigment that gives plants and animals their color. And it turns out that Chow Chows aren't the only ones who have a little extra. Some cats, horses, and even humans can have blue tongues too, but it's really rare. In fact, there was a study done in 2016 that looked at over 1,000 people and only found one person with a blue tongue. So now you know why Chow Chows have blue tongues. But there's still one question I want to answer. Why are Chow Chows chows? You see, when I was a little puppy, I used to wonder why I wasn't a Labrador or a German Shepherd. And then one day, my mom told me that it's because of something called genetics. She said that every dog has 2 copies of a gene that determines its breed, and that genes come in pairs. And she explained that one gene can come in different flavors, like chocolate or vanilla, and those flavors are called alleles, and each dog inherits one allele from each parent. So I got one Chow Chow allele from my mom, and one from my dad, which made me a double recessive Chow Chow. So why am I telling you all this? Well, it turns out that the gene that determines a dog's breed also determines the color of its tongue. And Chow Chows are a recessive breed, which means they have 2 copies of the Chow Chow gene. And because of this, they have blue tongues. Well, I hope you learned something new today. Remember, every dog is special in its own way, just like you. And if you want to learn more about dogs, check out the resources. Until next time, I'll see you later.